Welcome to the channel. We're officially live and just getting started. If you want to be one of the original members of this community and see where this journey goes, hit that subscribe button and grow with us from day one. Hey everyone, and welcome! Are you ready to take control of your financial future, but feel a bit overwhelmed by the world of investing? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're demystifying investing and showing you just how accessible it can be for beginners. Many people think investing is just for the super rich or Wall Street gurus. But the truth is, investing is simply putting your money to work for you so it can grow over time. Think of it like planting a seed. You nurture it, and eventually it blossoms into something much bigger. Why invest? Because of something called compounding. It's often called the eighth wonder of the world. Compounding means your earnings start earning their own money. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger and bigger as it collects more snow. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. So where do you even begin? Let's break down some fundamental steps. Step 1, set your goals. What are you saving for? A down payment on a house? Retirement? Your kids' education? Having clear goals will guide your investment choices. Step 2. Start small and be consistent. You don't need a huge lump sum to begin. Even small, regular contributions can make a massive difference over time. Automate your investments if you can. Set it and forget it for consistent growth. Step 3. Understand diversification. This is a fancy word for don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead of investing in just one company or type of asset, spread your money across different investments. This helps reduce risk. Investing isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building security for the long haul. You've got this. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more finance basics. Now, go plant that seed.